So you ever hear a jet plane passing
Yeah.
over? That's the design of this one. That's what I was looking for. As a plane is passing by. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Pretty stable.
Yeah. Double the tail on it. Make it even. Give it good balance. Start from down here, Alex. Start from the straight. Here, look. Start from here. Now, because of the weight of this one, it's not advisable to be playing make it loose. It's almost you control you. Yeah, it's I can control it, but it's much harder to control compared to the 30-inch instead of the 4-foot. This is just deadly. It takes bigger loops, and it needs more extra string to control each loop. Yeah.
It gets pretty involved if you wanted to. Any gauge to it? Nothing. Pounds?
Oh yeah, I've never measured, but just from the feel of it, I can just manage it. It's got to be in the high numbers. But I've never really measured the tension on any of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day I'll actually do that.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, measure the actual tension. It is pretty amazing now how you can get something which is a simple design, create lift and control and fly. And it doesn't matter how big it is, by the way.
Really?
It doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter. The size is all based on how strong you are and how strong the line is. Yeah, but you don't want to make it too big. It just pulls you away anyway.
Mine is just flying with designs.
Yeah.
Square, triangles, cone.
I've done everything. I even do characters. So if you want to have a special team, special character, whatever, a name, send me a picture, send me a photo. That's called a diamond star. So if you focus on the white, that's all you'll see is just the center, just the white.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
You should model these. Yeah.
Oh, it is pretty incredible.
It is. You ever fly at night?
I've flown at night. It's not easy.
Yeah.